Our intelligence allies within the Zimbabwean deep state have provided us with solid evidence which proves the Minister of Local Governance Daniel Garwe leads the pack in land corruption in the country. The case of Jacob Mafume is just a tip of the iceberg. Zarapida mashoko anokudanya kupangwa ino tichiona international cables network ine pangwa ino expose chonokwa kunzi pangwa ino the city council Harare city council pangwa ino inokwa kunzi awa iri very corrupt pangwa ino tatuna vamwe vachitokola up is the dissolution or subscribe or like or on the bell icon pane this letter iri kucirculate iri kuonekwa kunzi Minister of Local Governance and Public Works iri kuonekwa ichinzi transfer of stand 19611 measuring 25,041 hectares to Logara Properties Private Limited. Pango inotona kuti again mana chipomsarurwa ane achireply to this letter again iri kuonekwa kunzi vakomana vari kutamba neland aiwa yenyika vachita zvavanodana achi criticize achiti as a concerned citizens I can no longer remain silent. There is a massive land heist underway and it's unfolding in broad daylight. What was once whispered in corridors is now the order of the day. Land is being seized, not through due process, but through directives. And the name at the center of the storm is Daniel Garwe. We are witnessing a disturbing trend where ministerial power is being weaponized to dispose ordinary citizens of their land. Families who have lived on and worked their land for decades are being uprooted with the stroke of a pen. No consultation, no compensation, no justice. This is not governance. This is not leadership. This is plunder. Land is not just soil. It is dignity. It is history. It is livelihood. When a minister uses their office to override legal processes and grab land, they are not just stealing property. They are stealing futures. We must ask who benefits from this and who will speak for the voiceless. If this is allowed to continue unchecked, we risk returning to a dark chapter of dispossession and elite capture. The people of Zimbabwe deserve better. We deserve transparency, accountability, and above all, respect of the rule of law. Thomas Konobdanyo pangwa ina rukunzi aiwa zvigananda pangwa ine aiwa kuchionekwa kunzi vakomana veHarare City Council varonzi vari kutamba varikuita zvisina basa aiwa state land. Pinda comment section medu unza funguro aim kuti kudipa pamusoro pe these developments. So subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.